Morning everybody, how you doing? This is Billy Josie, aka the new generation marketer. Guys here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you cutting this quick video because I wanted to talk about the importance of exercise as you build your business. And it's something that's very important for you as an entrepreneur because, listen, you can go out here, you can make a lot of money in your business, you can be very successful. But if your health is a challenge, then how many would agree that no matter how much money you have, no matter how much success that you have, it's still hard for you to enjoy time with your family, time enjoying the fruits of your labor if your health is a challenge. So, my advice to you as an entrepreneur, be sure you're taking better care of your health. If you get up first thing in the morning, get a nice jog going on, get on the treadmill, do some weight training for about 30 minutes to an hour, because not only will this better your health, it will give you more energy to build your business. It will give you more confidence as you go out and maybe consult with people offline, or if you consult with people online. More energy to do those things. So I know this video today is probably a little shaky because I'm on the treadmill, but just want to talk to you about the importance of making sure you take care of your health as you build your business as an entrepreneur. Guys, I hope you found value from this video. Also, I do want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button at the very bottom there. Also, click that little bell to the very left so that you're reminded of any new videos that I do put out. Just as a reminder, this channel is also about entrepreneurship. So if you're in internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, this channel basically is here to inspire you, show you different ways to make more money in your business, recommend tools, resources that can help you become better, that can help you become better in your mindset, and that can help you become better in your business. God bless you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.